In the following question, select the related word pair from the given alternatives. Grandmother, female. So here he has given an analogy and we have to choose one of the analogies which is similar to this. Okay, so if you see grandmother, here he has given a person and female, this is gender. Now we have to find one of these which is exactly fitting the similar relationship between grandmother and female. First one, father is a person, male is gender. This is exactly fitting. Second thing is male and son. If you see, male is gender, son is person. So this is not going to be the answer. Mother, sister, both are persons. So this cannot be the answer. Uncle, aunt, again persons. So this is also not going to be the answer. So the answer for this question is option A, father and male. Next question. In the following question, select the related number from the given alternatives. So this is one set of analogy. In the second part, 839 is given, we have to find the question mark. In the first analogy, 695, 659. If you see, these two numbers are interchanged. Okay, so on interchanging, we got 659. Similarly, in 839, if we interchange 3 and 9, we are going to get the desired answer. So the answer for this question is option D, that is 893. In the following question, select the related letter or letters from the given alternatives. So whenever you solve these kind of questions, remember one thing, write this table. So this is one of the standard tables. Whenever you solve these kind of questions, if you write all the alphabets in this order, you will be able to answer these questions easily. Okay, so we have divided all the alphabets into two parts, 1 to 13, first 13 alphabets and the next 13 alphabets. And again, these things, these individual alphabets are divided in parts of 4. Clear? Now, coming back to the question, CPR tends to ERT. That means C tends to E, P tends to R and R tends to T. So if you see here, C is becoming E and P is becoming R and R is becoming T. If you see, for every alphabet, the resultant alphabet is going to be +2 with respect to the current alphabet. Similarly, if you see from P to R, R we can obtain it by increasing 2 units from P. Similarly, T we get by increasing 2 units from R. So now coming to this one, DQS. So from D we have to take 2 units, it is +2, and again from Q we have to increase it to 2 units. When increase it to 2 units, it's going to be S, and from S, if we increase it 2 units, it is going to be U. So the answer for this question is F, S and U, that is option A for this question.
To download free SSC mocks and previous papers, go to google.com and search Crack free SSC mocks. Go to the first link from the search results. Click on the exams link you want to take. Click on the free mock to take the test.
In the following question, select the odd word pair from the given alternatives. So among these 4 options, 3 options are going to be similar and 1 option is going to be different, and we have to find it out. White is a color. Okay, blue is a color, yellow, orange. If you see, this is not fitting in. Both are colors. Black is a color. So the answer of this question is option C. Next question. In the following question, 4 number pairs are given. The number on left side is related to the number on the right side of this hyphen with some logic or rule or relation. 3 are similar on the basis of same logic, rule or relation. Select the odd one out from the given options. So these kind of models are continuously coming in SSC CHSL examinations. So these models till now whatever we have discussed and whatever we are going to discuss, all these models are continuously getting repeated in CHSL reasoning questions. So if you see over here, 3 is related to 6, that is 3 2s is 6. Similarly, 5 2s is 10, 7 12s, 7 plus 5 is 12, and 9 2s is 18. Option A, B and D are related in one way, that is they are getting multiplied by 2, but option C is the only odd one among all these options. So the answer for this question is 7 12, that is option C. In the following question, select the odd letter or letters from the given alternatives. Now coming to the first option, SUWX. From S to U there is 2 units difference, from U to W there is 2 units difference, but from W to X there is only 1 unit of difference. So all of them are equally placed except WX. Next coming to EGIK. From E to G there is 2 units difference, from G to I is another 2 units, from I to K is 2 units. So all these letters are evenly spaced with 2 units of difference. Next coming to L and PR. From L to N is 2 units, L to N to P is 2 units, and from P to R it is another 2 units. These options is also equally spaced with 2 units. Next coming to TVXZ. T to V is 2 units, V to X is 2 units, and from X to Z. So again option D is equally spaced with 2 units. So only option A is the anomaly over here. So this is the odd letter because WX is unevenly spaced. So the answer for this question is option A. Next question. Arrange the given words in the sequence in which they occur in the dictionary. So probably what we can do whenever you encounter these kind of questions is, first start comparing all the first digits. If you see, all the first digits are starting with W. Let's consider the second alphabet, H, 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 E and E. So if you consider in the dictionary order, which alphabet is going to come first? E is going to come first. So that means options 4 and 5 are going to come ahead of 1, 2, 3. We are not completely clear with the order. Now let's see among 4 and 5 what is the order. W and E are equally placed. Now coming to the third alphabet, D and D, again they are similar. 4. So let's consider the fourth alphabet. The fourth alphabet in option 4 is D and it is N. If you see, D comes ahead of N. So the necessary dictionary order is going to be 4 and then 5. So our entire sequence is going to start with 4 and then 5 followed by 1, 2, 3. We can arrange 1, 2, 3 in any order. If you see in the options, only option B is starting with 4. So the answer for this question is option B. In the following question, select the missing numbers from the given series. So these series questions are frequently asked in SSC CHSL examination. So in this series, if you see, from 54 to 51, there is a decrease of minus 3 units. From 51 to 48, decrease of 3 units. Again, from 48 to 45, decrease of 3 units. 45 to 42, decrease in 3 units. And from 42, there should be a decrease of 3 units. So if you remove 3 units from 42, it is going to be 39. That is option D for this question. Next question. A series is given with one term missing. Select the correct alternative from the given ones that will complete the series. So this is the series and one term is missing. So let's find that term. So all the first terms are related in some way or the other. Second terms are related in some way or the other, and third terms are also related in some way or the other. That is how we can find the missing term over here. From P to N, if you see, there is a decrease of 2 units. If you want to verify, you can verify it over here. From P to N, there is a difference of 2 units. So we are reducing 2 units. Similarly, from N to L, there is a decrease of 2 units. So P to N minus 2 from N to L. So from L also there should be a decrease of 2 units. So if you remove 2 units from L, it is going to be J. Again from J, if you go back 2 units, it is going to be H, which is perfectly fitting. Now coming to the second terms, from R to P again, it is reducing by 2 units. From P to N, it is reducing by 2 units. From N, if you reduce 2 units, it is going to be L. Now coming to the third term, from Q to O, it is reducing by 2 units. From O to M, it is reducing by 2 units. From M again, it should be reduced by 2 units. So if you reduce 2 units from M, K, L, M, right? So if you reduce 2 units from M, it is going to be K. So the answer for this question is option C. Next question. 6 family members, Pankaj, Gopi, Chetan, Dinesh, Akash and Vyom are standing around a circular table. So let this be the circular table and all of them are standing around this circular table facing this center. Gopi is between Vyom and Chetan. So it is given that Gopi is between Vyom and Chetan. So it can be in this way or Chetan, Vyom. Gopi, who is fixed in the center, and Vyom and Chetan, either they can be to the right of Gopi or to the left of Gopi. Similarly, Pankaj is between Akash and Dinesh. So Pankaj is sitting in the middle. Either Akash could be to the left or to the right. Clear? So one more condition is given, that is Vyom is to the immediate right of Dinesh. Vyom is to the immediate right of Dinesh. That means when we club these two, Vyom and Dinesh, they should be sitting together and Vyom should be to the right of Dinesh, right? So if this is the order, right, if you feel that this is a circle, Vyom is sitting to the left of Dinesh, right? But according to the instructions, Vyom should be sitting to the immediate right of Dinesh. So now let's consider this part. If you consider this circle, Vyom will be sitting to the Dinesh, right? If I represent this in the circular table, see it over here, clear? So if we represent this in the circular table, if we put them around the circular table, we'll be getting it like this. So if you see, Vyom is sitting to the immediate right of Dinesh. So that means this is our required circular arrangement. Now let's answer the questions. Who is opposite to Dinesh? So Dinesh is over here and Chetan is sitting directly opposite to Dinesh. So the answer for this question is option B. We will be back with more videos on SSC CHSL. For more videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.